Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a new earbud. Might not have heard about these. They're called the EOZ Air. These are the new generation of the EOZ earbuds, both of which were funded through Kickstarter. I pledged for these to help get them made back last year in November. I pledged $99 US, that's around 140 Australian dollars at the time. They were advertised as the world's most advanced true wireless earbuds. It's taken them about a year to get these made. There was a few setbacks. I'm really excited to check these out. They were meant to have upgraded a few things along the way. They were advertised as high-res audio earbuds. They're meant to have amazing battery life. Originally they were advertised to have 52 hours, 4 hours at a time while wearing them, another 48 in the case, so 52 all up. They're meant to have the new 5.0 Bluetooth, so no dropouts. Also the antenna with the design of these runs over the ear, so no dropouts. Also that's meant to help with a more secure fit, great for exercise, great for getting outdoors. With the sound of these, they're meant to have a bigger driver in them than a lot of the other true wireless earbuds, an 8mm driver. For example, the Jaybirds at the time had a 6mm driver. The AirPods only a 5mm driver. With 8mm should get bigger bass and just an overall better sound than other true wireless earbuds. Previously I've only reviewed true wireless earbuds that were a bit cheaper, under $50, so these are around 3 times the price, expecting great build quality, great sound. So let's get into these and check them out. So first look at these. Build quality seems amazing. The case is really nice. The way it all clips together seems really durable, long lasting. Build quality of the ear tips, everything about these seems high quality, really nice, really durable, really premium finish and style. As you would have seen in that unboxing, now they advertise 90 hours of battery life. They come with both foam and silicone ear tips. They come fitted with the foam ear tip. The fit of these is really nice. The ear hook is really nice and secure. It's not putting any pressure, you can't even really feel it, but it's definitely not going anywhere. The sound isolation on these is really nice, and I really like that they gave the options of silicone and foam ear tips. As you would have seen, they also have a strap or cable that will connect these together, more like a normal wireless set of earbuds. I think that's if you're going to be taking them on and off regularly, they'll just keep around your neck a lot better. Turning them on and off, all you have to do is take them in and out of the case. It's really easy. They automatically pair to your phone once you've paired them once. You can manually turn them on and off. They have press buttons on the side of the earbud, so if you hold both the back of the earbuds for 2 seconds, they will turn on, and you can hold down either of them for 3 seconds and they'll turn off individually. This is more of a first look unboxing. I'm going to be doing a second video. I'm not sure if these have any kind of waterproofing, so I'm definitely going to be looking into that. I'll be testing out that battery life, I'm not sure how I'm going to test out 90 hours, but I'll definitely test out that single use around 4 hours battery life. The fit while exercising after using them a few times. See if they're still going to stay in your ear. Running, weightlifting, definitely interested to see how they sound after using them for a while. I did test them out already for a first look. At first look they appear to be really bassy, have a really bassy sound signature, which is great if you're using these for exercise, for running, for weightlifting. A bassy sound helps you get motivated, pumped up for exercise, and that's what this kind of earbud really is, where you don't want that cable going around, hitting the back of your neck while you're running or moving or coming out of your ear. If you do have any questions about these earbuds, I will be making that second video. If you want something tested on these, just a simple question, make sure you comment down below. I'll try to do my best to answer all questions. You can also comment on my Instagram. I'll be putting up a few pictures of these. Comment on those and I'll try to answer it in my next video. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or you do want to see that video. Hit the bell notification and I'll see you in the next one.